Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to decode the blueprint on how to stop trading your time for every single dollar and instead start making your money actually work for you. We'll be looking closely at the architecture behind multiple income streams to figure out exactly why some people build incredible wealth, while others just stay stuck on that exhausting hamster wheel. Okay, let's just dive right into a universal problem we've all faced at some point. Ever feel like there literally aren't enough hours in the day? Most of us are taught that putting in more hours is the one and only way to get ahead. But think about it. What happens when you run out of hours? There is a strict, undeniable physical limit to how much you can do alone. You just can't work 24 hours a day without completely burning out. So, to break past that inevitable income ceiling, we need to look at two very distinct ways of earning. First up is active income. You know this one well. This requires your ongoing time, sweat, and effort. It's highly predictable, sure, but it's completely capped by the clock. The absolute second you clock out, your earning potential clocks out right alongside you. And then we have the alternative, right? Passive income. Now, this one requires some serious heavy lifting and upfront investment at the start, whether you're putting in time, capital, or just sheer energy. But the real magic happens after that initial work is done. It just keeps paying you even when you've completely stepped away. Because it's fully detached from your time, it can scale infinitely. You could literally be sleeping, traveling, or just hanging out with your family while this income stream quietly hums along in the background. When we actually look at these two side by side, it's super easy to assume one is just inherently better than the other. But honestly, that's a huge misconception. Most financially successful people do not just abandon active income. Not at all. Instead, they master how these two systems interact with each other. It's all about leveraging the predictability of your active effort to fuel the massive, scalable nature of your passive returns. I love this analogy. Think of your financial journey like trying to ride a bicycle. I mean, can you ride a bike with just one wheel? Well, sure, if it's a unicycle, but it takes an extraordinary, frankly exhausting amount of effort just to stay upright without falling over. And unfortunately, that's exactly how a lot of people live their financial lives. They're constantly pedaling in a panic just to keep from wiping out. You really need both wheels to balance and build forward momentum. So here's how those two wheels actually work together in tandem. Your active income, that's your front wheel. It steers your immediate direction and gives you the necessary seed capital just to survive today. But that back wheel is your passive income. That's the engine actually propelling you toward tomorrow, building true, lasting stability. When you get them spinning together, they create this incredibly smooth, sustainable ride that can take you exponentially further. And getting this two-wheel system spinning allows you to build what we like to call your many workers. Basically, instead of just relying solely on your own two hands, you deploy capital and systems to do the heavy lifting for you. This could look like investing in dividend-paying stocks to get those quarterly checks, maybe buying a rental property, scaling up a digital product business, or even earning royalties from some creative work. Every single item here acts as a super dedicated employee that never calls in sick and, best of all, doesn't need to sleep. But hold on, before you rush out to try and buy an apartment building, we absolutely need to bust some persistent internet myths. Despite what all those loud, flashy gurus on social media will tell you, passive income is not magic, and it is certainly not easy money. It demands years of learning and real problem solving. Also, it's not just some secret club for the ultra-rich. Literally everyone starts at zero. Oh, and you don't necessarily need thousands of dollars in startup capital either. Many of these income streams begin simply by aggressively leveraging the skills you already possess right now. Which brings us right into some common pitfalls on this journey. Mistake number one is vilifying the typical 9-to-5. Guys, your day job is not your enemy. In fact, it is the most vital tool you have right now. It provides the shovel to actually dig your foundation. Think about it. Without that initial active income, acting as seed money, you simply don't have the materials required to ever build those passive systems. Then there's mistake number two, falling for the whole get-rich-quick illusion. We've all seen those ads, right? The guy leaning on the rented Lamborghini. Be highly, highly skeptical of anyone promising you a $10,000 return by next week for doing absolutely nothing. Real, sustainable wealth is built brick by brick. It requires intense, active effort up front long before it ever becomes truly passive. And mistake number three is the classic trap of lifestyle creep. Literally spending every single dollar of your paycheck just to upgrade your life. If every raise you get immediately leaves your wallet to pay for a slightly nicer car, a bigger TV, or a lavish vacation, your money never even gets the chance to become your employee. You simply cannot hire financial workers if the vault is constantly empty. To really see how these seemingly tiny daily choices compound over a few decades, let's run a quick simulation. Let's meet two friends, Alex and Brian. They both graduate college and land jobs earning exactly $80,000 a year. So they are starting from the exact same baseline with the exact same potential to build something massive. Now, over the next 20 years, these two take vastly different paths. Alex totally falls victim to lifestyle creep. By year 5, every promotion he gets funds a luxury apartment and a financed car. Brian, meanwhile, decides to live below his means. He takes a slice of every single paycheck and buys assets. Fast forward to year 10, and Brian holds a rental property and a small online business. Now let's look at year 20. Alex earns a really high salary, sure, but he is completely trapped, heavily dependent on his next paycheck to fund his expensive life. And Brian? Well, he still works, but only because he actually wants to. His assets are completely paying for his life. The ultimate takeaway from their story is a massive paradigm shift. You see, true wealth is really about how you deploy your income, not just how much you earn. Brian didn't out-earn Alex. He just stopped relying on a single point of failure. He used his active income very deliberately to fund his passive income, slowly but surely assembling that army of many workers to secure his total freedom. So here is a really quick, actionable challenge for you this week to force a shift in your own financial mindset. Grab a piece of paper, draw a line right down the middle, label one side active and the other passive. Now, I want you to brainstorm every single conceivable way you could earn in each column. And hey, it totally doesn't matter if your passive column is completely empty right now. The goal here is just to train your brain to start hunting for those opportunities. Because this whole thing ultimately boils down to a fundamental shift in philosophy. Most of us are conditioned to just trade our time for a paycheck. But wealthy individuals, they obsess over how to make that money work for them. Every single self-made wealthy person started exactly where you are today, with just a single idea, a willingness to learn, and the discipline to make one smart investment at a time. So, I'll leave you with this provocative thought to chew on before our next explainer. If your entire financial life relies on just one single paycheck, what happens if that one wheel suddenly stops spinning? Relying on just one source of income isn't just limiting, it's honestly incredibly risky. Next time, we're going to dive deep into the actual security architecture of multiple income streams. Keep building those systems, and thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.